Okay. So how many people can you see?
And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people.
4 people. That's good. How many boys can you see?
2 wines.
How many girls can you see? And do you know their names?
No.
I can tell you their names, but you have to point who they are. So I know one is Rosie. So which one is Rosie? Which one? Can you describe her?
Yes, that one with the flower on her t-shirt. Is it t-shirt?
Yeah, it's t-shirt.
On a flower, and she has stripes, pink and green stripes, and she has brown hair and black eyes.
That's good. So that's Rosie.
Yes.
Can you spell her name?
ROSG.
That's not G.
What is that?
What do you think? What letter is it?
Is it
It's the for
H? Keep on watching it.
after X.
After it.
X. And before Z.
Is it Y?
Yes. So can you spell again?
ROSY.
What's her name?
Rosie.
Rosie. So when you want to say Rosie, if someone is spelling ROSY, do you know now that's me, Rosie?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. And another boy's name is Tim. And can you spell Tim?
TIM. Tim.
Tin or Tim?
TIM.
Tim. Very good. And what color is his hair?
Is kind of skin color.
What do you mean skin color?
It's the skin is over here.
What color is it? Is it like yellow, green, brown?
I think it's yellow.
That's good. And another boy's name is Billy. Can you also spell Billy?
BIJJ.
That's not J.
What is that?
What do you think?
Is it L?
Yes.
LMY.
The same with Rosie. Very good. So Billy.
Billy.
And another one is Miss Jones. Can you also spell Miss Jones?
MISS.
That's Miss.
Yes.
MISS, Miss.
Okay.
And what about Jones?
J. Is it J?
Yes,
ONES.
Jones. So
Jones.
Miss Jones.
Miss Jones.
So there are 4 people and 2 points, one little girl and one lady. Miss Jones is their teacher.
Hmm?
Okay, now this one, we're supposed to sing, but I don't like singing. If you want to sing, you can sing, but I will read for you. Hello, Rosie. Hello, Tim. Hello, everyone. Hello, Billy and Miss Jones. Come and have some fun. Can you read?
Can you read again, please?
Hello, Rosie.
Hello, Rosie.
Hello, Tim.
Hello, Tim.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Billy
Hello, Bailey.
and Miss Jones.
And Miss Jones.
Come and have some fun.
Come and have some fun.
Can you read again?
Hello, Rosie. Hello, Tim. Hello, everyone. Hello, Billy. Hello, Miss Jones. Come and have some fun.
You're not reading, you're just repeating what I have read. So let's try to read. So
Okay.
how do you spell hello?
H-E-L-L-O.
Like a double L, right? Not three L. So H-E-L-L-O.
O.
That's hello.
Hello.
And you already know Rosie. How do you spell Rosie?
R-O-S. Mm, mm,
The letter between X and Z.
Y.
Right?
What's the
Yeah,
S?
no, that's full stop. So you don't need to read full stop.
Okay.
So just R-O-S-Y.
Okay.
Rosie. So
Rosie.
if you compound with hello, you can read hello, Rosie.
Hello, Rosie.
So another one is also hello. Can you spell that one?
Okay. H-E-L-L-O. Hello.
Very good. And another one is Tim. Can you spell Tim?
T-I-M. Tim.
Okay, so when you read, you can read hello, Tim.
Okay.
So we have hello, Rosie. Hello, Tim. Can you read them again?
Hello, Rosie. Hello, Tim.
Okay, what about this one? What do you think this word is?
Hello again.
Very good. So can you spell hello again?
H-E-L-L-O. Hello.
And this one is new word for you. Everyone. Can you spell everyone?
Okay. E-V-E-R-Y-O-N-E. Hello, everyone.
That's just everyone, right? So E-V-E-R-Y-O-N-E. Everyone. And
Everyone.
then another one is hello. So you can read hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
So we have hello, Rosie. Hello, Tim.
Hello,
Hello,
everyone.
everyone. What was this word?
Is it hello again?
Very good. So you know they are the same. So can you read hello?
H-E-L-L-O. Hello.
Very good. And this one is the boy's name called Billy. Can you spell Billy?
Is it only this one or this one too?
Only one word.
Okay. B B I L L Y.
Very good. Now you remember why. So Billy. So when
Billy.
you read with hello, hello, Billy.
Billy.
And this one is and.
And
And can you spell and?
this is A.
Yeah, A, but when you read, you have to read A-N-D, and.
Wait, A-N-D-N.
Very good. So I'm not reading to A letter, right?
Yeah.
So when you read, when you spell A-N-D, you pronounce and.
Okay.
And what about this one?
M-I-S-S.
Do you remember? How do you pronounce M-I-S-S?
I don't remember.
That's Miss.
Miss.
So M-I-S-S,
Miss.
Miss. And Jones is her name. So can you spell Jones?
J-O-N-E-S. Miss Jones.
J-O-N-E-S is Jones.
Jones.
Another one is Miss. So Miss Jones.
Miss Jones.
So let's read. Hello, Rosie.
Hello,
Tim. Hello, everyone. Hello, Billy and Miss Jones. Hello is only one here, right? So hello, Billy and Miss Jones. So another word. Can you spell fast this one?
C C O M E.
Cam.
Cam.
So this word, cam.
Cam.
And another word, I think we already seen this one before.
Okay.
Can you spell it fast?
Okay. Um. A N D.
How do you pronounce?
N-A-N-D.
Yeah, yeah, very good. And
And
we have already seen this one, Billy and Miss Jones, right? So here, Cam and
have
okay, how do you spell have?
H-A-V-G-E. Have.
Very good. The Cam and have. What
S-O-M-M-E.
do you know? This what?
Yes, come and have fun.
You skip the word you spelled before.
Uh,
Sam.
Sam.
So S-O-M-E, Sam. Can and have some.
Have you have you and come and have some fun?
Just read only one word.
Okay.
Have
Have you and fun?
fun. Very good. So when you read, come and have some fun. Very good. So let's read again. Hello, Rosie.
Hello, Lucy.
Hello, Tim.
Hello, Tim.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Billy
Hello, Billy
and Miss Jones.
and Miss Jones.
Come and have some fun.
Come and have some fun.
Can you read?
Okay. Hello, Rosie. Hello, Tim. Hello, everyone. Hello, Billy. Hello, Miss Jones.
There's only one hello. Hello, Billy.
Hello, Billy and Miss Jones. Come and have some fun.
Very good. Thank you.
Okay.
So we will stop for a while.
Okay. And start.